Didn't see the baby.
What do you mean the baby? It's a fucking alternator.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a great day. Now today, we're going to be trying to figure out what the hell is going on with Beep. Yesterday when we were driving home from the big snow off-roading event, we were coming up the hill and my lights decided to just completely shut off. So I don't know if it is the switch that has gone bad or if it is the alternator, because I do know that I'm going to be needing a new alternator pretty soon. So it could be both, it could be one, but we're going to try to figure it out today. We're going to be starting up Beep right now and letting it warm up. Let everything start to run so that we can test how much voltage is going through the alternator. And then we're also going to be testing the switch to see if that's the problem. But without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. I don't think you did it all the way.
What? Oh, what the fuck?
You have to yank it real hard. Yeah. There you go. Ooh. Up. Down. There we go. Alright, so we're going to be testing the terminals on the alternator to see how much power we got running through it and on the battery. Red, black.
Oh, I don't know. I'm a little colorful. Oh, it's got a 1. I think my meter's broken.
Ruh-roh.
Let's see. Yes, the alternator's fucked.
What is it?
You're shooting below 14 first off. I mean, right below it. So you're barely holding up. That's why, you know what that probably is? You know what that probably shoots for?
What?
That's why when you hit your brakes and all that shit, your lights go off and the dash shit, probably hit your brake lights on.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, need a new alternator. So you should also test the alternator itself. You might have to go underneath that first. It's under the, I don't know if this will get fucked up for the cushion. Under the AC compressor. I push you.
No way!
I push you. I push you. I want to push you.
Okay.
You're good? Hi there. Alright, so we are going to be replacing the alternator, see if that fixes my issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, then we'll try and fix the switch. But pretty sure that it is the alternator because the voltage on the battery is low. We did just replace the battery because it wasn't starting. I'm pretty sure that it wasn't starting because the alternator wasn't fully charging the battery, and the battery was old, so it shit out the battery. No. So we're going to be replacing the alternator today. Do you want to pull this out, or do you want to keep it here? You want to keep it here for right now? You want to keep it here? Alright. Keep it open. So, we're going to be heading over to AutoZone, getting an alternator, and then
Deborah.
Her name is Deborah?
Yeah.
We're just fucking zooming down the mountain. You're like, what's my truck's name again? And
We're
he pulls his plastic trim off. His truck's name is indeed Deborah. I think I actually named my old Jeep Deborah.
Your old Jeep? Oh yeah, you used to have a Grand Cherokee.
The Grand Cherokee. I used to have a ZJ. If you haven't seen it on the channel, I do have videos of me off-roading that. I think I named that Deborah. I'm not sure.
You right there.
Pretty view.
Not really.
Alright, so we got the alternator from Advanced Auto Parts. I thought I was going to say AutoZone. AutoZone didn't have any, but we're on the way back and we're going to throw it on and then bring the old one back. But yeah, we'll throw you guys back on when we get there. Alright, so we just got back with the new alternator. We're going to start by disconnecting the battery and then pulling the alternator off and then throwing the new one on and seeing if that fixes our problem.
I'm a lit kid, B.
Alright, so we got the alternator out and we're about to put the new one in. Wasn't that hard. Mark did most of the work though, so. Just put this up here. We had to take the battery tray out because couldn't fit the alternator out going through the bottom or to the top without taking the battery tray out. And we snapped one of the bolts that mounts the tray to the car, but it's whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's getting relocated to the back soon anyway. So this we need to bring back. She said put it in the box, bring it back. But we got the new alternator right here. Nice and shiny. Rip that. Let me see it.
Which way to go in?
Let me see the baby.
I mean the baby, the fucking alternator.
Alright, so.
How's that one spin?
Huh?
How's that one feel spinning?
Oh, I can't really. Hold on. Fine.
Okay, so then you don't hold your shoe.
It comes with a new pulley, right?
Yeah, I'm fucking.
Yeah,
No,
well, I'm just asking. Make sure.
I'm fucking answering.
God, so we're gonna bring that back and deposit for it because it always broke. And that to the side. And back into trying to get this thing in. Alright, so we got the alternator back in and we're about to start it up. We got everything buttoned up right here. And Mark's gonna start it up real quick. Boom! Better not go boom.
Boom!
She's reading.
Oh, we're running off battery voltage.
Huh?
So it looks like we're running off battery voltage. Right? We're not making much.
I'm gonna rev
It's going
it.
up. Well, it's going up. That's the weird thing.
What's it read? It's currently reading 14 in here. What's it at? Yeah, it's good. I want to take it for a rip.
I want to see, because
Yeah, we'll take it down to the end and bring it back.
you don't gotta go all the way down. Yeah, what do you call it? Because I noticed it was sitting at 12, sitting at like 12.8 at first, and then it jumped to like 12.9, and then it went to 13, and then it went to like 13.2. Then when you revved it, it jumped to like 13.8, and then went to 14. I was like, alright.
So I'm pretty sure that fixed our issue. Hopefully my lights don't come off again. If not, then we can look at the switch. Let me turn those on. Turn my brights on. But yeah, we're gonna take it for a little cruise down the road, see if it stays like that. All the mud came out from
Now wait, let me ask a question. Go hit your brakes. Check if any of the lights go on.
I'm hitting them. No. Yeah, I think we're good. Turn the heat on in here. I'm pretty sure it's that one.
What? Shit, really don't want to work then, huh?
Put the hood prop
Really
up.
cool, huh?
Put the hood prop up.
Oh, yeah. Bring it out. So fucking cool. Oh, that's great. Clean tools, Mark. How's everybody doing today? I'm gonna Bob Ross the shit out of this. Ain't cleaning off too good because I got the camera in my fucking hand and Tyler. Oh shit, Tyler come back. I gotta play it off like I'm in. We're recording it. Oh shit. And I know he's gonna see this, but I don't give a fuck. Oh my god, so cool! He's gonna try to drift it. I don't know it.
Alright, so I just took it for a little ride down the road, and it is looking pretty good, so I'm pretty sure we fixed our problem. We also figured out where my power is draining from. Whenever I turn my fan, my blower motor on, it drains a whole bunch of power, so we're going to be looking into that. I might need a new blower motor. I'm going to look at some forums, see what it says. And that's going to be a completely different video though, because this video is just doing the alternator. So I want to get this video out as soon as possible. But I do think that is going to be it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.